Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use tally marks. Tally marks are a super simple and effective way to count things, especially when you have a lot of items. They help you keep track of numbers by grouping them into fives, making it much easier to manage your data. Think of them as a quick visual shorthand for counting. We'll cover everything from making them to reading them, so you can start using this handy method right away. Creating tally marks is straightforward. For the first item, you draw one vertical line. For the second, another vertical line, and so on until you have 4 vertical lines. Now, here's the key. For the fifth item, you draw a diagonal line right across those first 4. This completes a bundle of 5. Then, you start a new bundle for the sixth item, beginning with another vertical line. It's a very systematic way to count. Reading tally marks is just as easy as making them. Each time you see a completed bundle, that's the 4 vertical lines with one diagonal line crossing them, you know that represents 5 items. So, you can quickly count by 5s. After counting all the full bundles, you then add any remaining individual vertical lines. For example, 3 bundles and 2 single lines would equal 17. This system makes summing up large numbers incredibly fast and clear. Tally marks are incredibly versatile and can be used in many everyday situations. Imagine you're taking a quick poll, counting how many people prefer one option over another. Tally marks are perfect. They're also great for keeping score during a casual game, tracking inventory in a small shop, or even just counting how many times something happens in a given period. Their simplicity and visual clarity make them a go-to tool for quick, on-the-spot data collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.